Well, guys, got a nest of baby birds here. Believe it or not, they were wrapped up in my panel of my skid loader behind the instrument panel, right in there. And wouldn't have bothered me to leave them in here, but I got to take the skid loader to do a job, and gotta try to do what's right, you know. So took a milk jug and put some nails in it, cut it out, and I'm gonna try to close it up, and hopefully the mother will be able to find them. Get some duct tape and close them up. So the water don't get in there. And then I took a nail and poked some hose in the bottom of it in case it did get some seepage. I don't know, guys. I got a thing for for nature, you know.